Dumbledore were doing this evening when you left the school? I can't tell you that, Professor, said Harry. He had expected the question and had his answer ready. In this Dumbledore had
Whoa! Shit! Alright. Is everybody okay? Everybody okay?
Well, this will hold us up forever.
Yeah.
This will hold us up forever.
That lorry
so his axle actually came off.
Yeah.
You did well to see that, didn't you?
Look.
Now, are we better trying to get through?
Well, I just saw him going left, I mean.
Yeah, so he's going to hit the stanchion.
Yeah.
Thinking, oh, but his axle's all broken and everything.
God, Mr. Brady. Don't want to get a puncture. I really don't want to get a puncture.
Oh, for goodness sake,
God,
I hope he's alright.
twisting up and everything.
A strange person. She's a bit of one on her own. Oh, for goodness sake!
His thing's come off.
What's come off?
His axle.
Oh.
This is a new roundabout. Is this a new roundabout here?
Bloody hell! Oh my god, they've proper gone into that. I didn't show that on this. It's just showing you kind of going straight line. I don't know, half an hour.
Oh, this is a new roundabout. Is this a new roundabout here?
Bloody hell! Oh my god, they've proper gone into that.
And you know, I thought they would go up higher in like Weaver. Oh shit.
Starting 911 call. To cancel, press the 911 button on the mirror.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Calling 911.
Hold on a minute.